Hello, this is Walker Physics, 4th edition, and we are in Chapter 7 on work and kinetic energy, and we're in the end of the chapter, questions number 23. Jogger A has a mass m and a speed v. Okay, so I don't see any numbers here. So if you remember that kinetic energy, we're asked to find the kinetic energy here. The kinetic energy is going to be based upon the velocity. And so this is going to be 1/2 mv squared. So if he has a mass m and a speed v, then that is A. That is that guy, the jogger. So we'll say that A is 1/2 mv squared. All right. What about B? Jogger B has a half of a mass and a speed of 3v. All right, so a half of a mass and a spin and 3v. So we're going to have to say 1/2 m over 2, so that's a half of a mass, times 3v squared. All right, so let's see, this is going to be m over 4, okay, and then, so m, and then 3 squared is 9 over 4 times v. So it's going to equal m times 9, not v squared. M times 9/4 v squared, or if you want to do it that way, 9/4 mv squared. So you have 1/2 mv squared, and B, you have 9 mv squared. All right, C is going to be what? C has a mass of 3m, a speed of a half of a velocity. Okay, so we'll have 1/2, and then we have 3m, and then we'll have velocity over 2, and it'll be squared. Right, so this is 3 over 3 will be, no, not 3 over 3, that's 1/2, sorry, 1/2. So this is 3 2's times m times v squared over 4, right? So when you multiply that, that's going to be 3/8 mv squared. And the last one, jogger D, has a mass of 4m and a speed of a half velocity. All right, so 1/2 times 4m times 1/2 velocity. So 4 over 2 is 2m times v squared over 4, and that'll equal 1/2 mv squared again. So indicate ties where appropriate and rank the joggers increasing kinetic energy. So we want the smallest kinetic energy. So the smallest is something less than a half. So 3/8 or less than a half. That's the smallest. So we've got C. It's less than, what's next? A, because it's 1/2. And then D is also equal to 1/2. So the A is equal to D. And then the biggest one is B of 9/4. Okay, so this would be the answer.